Hi, welcome back to my channel. For today's project, I'll be making a baby bib, and I've gone ahead and I've completed the first 22 rows, as it's just half double crochets. And as you can see, we started out with a chain of 24, and we increased as we go along up, and repeated the last 16 rows without increase. And now it's time for me to put on the straps on the bib. So that seems to be a little bit difficult, so I'm gonna show you how we'll be doing that. So we're gonna turn our work around, because we are now going to shape the neck and make the straps for the bib. Okay, the yarn that I'll be using, as you can see, it's the Bernat Baby Sport yarn. It's a variegated colors. The wrapper doesn't say the color, it just say Bernat Baby Sport. And I'm using, the pattern calls for a 4mm crochet hook. Okay, so we're gonna make a chain 1. That's what the pattern says. Make chain 1 and turn the work around. And it says to make 1/2 double crochet in the base of that chain 1 that we just made. So half double crochet your yarn over the hook, insert the hook in the base of the chain 1. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, you pull through all 3. That's a half double crochet. And it says one half double crochet in each of the next 5 half double crochets. So we're going to put 1 half double crochet in each of the next 5 half double crochets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're going to put 1 half double crochet in each of these 5 half double crochets. Okay, that's the 5 half double crochets. And now it says to decrease 1 half double crochet over the next 2 half double crochets. So we're going to turn these 2 half double crochets 1, 2. We're going to decrease and make them 1. So we're going to yarn over, insert the hook, pull up the yarn over again. So we're going to insert the hook in the other one and pull up. Now we have 4 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops. So we've made those 2 half double crochets into 1 half double crochet. And it says to turn, leaving the remaining 23 half double crochets. That's all of these 23 half double crochets unworked. So we're going to turn our work around, because we are now working on the one strap. And now it says to chain 1, and it says to make 1 half double crochet in the base of the chain 1. So the chain 1, we're going to make a half double crochet right in the base of the chain 1 that we just made. Half double crochet, and we're going to decrease over the next 2 half double crochet over these two other half double crochets. We're going to make these two half double crochets into one. We're going to make a decrease again, and it says one half double crochet in each half double crochet to end. So we're going to put one half double crochet in each of the next 1, 2, 3, 4 half double crochets. So this is the formation of a strap, of the one strap. Okay, I think I made a mistake on this the row 3. So after we made the first half double crochet in the chain 1 space, it says to make one half double crochet in each half double crochet to within the last 3. So we're going to put a half double crochet in each of these 1, 2, 3, and the last 3, that is where we're going to make the decrease. So we're going to make one half double crochet in each half double crochet as we come within the next 3, the last 3 half double crochets. Sorry, the last 2 half double crochets. So we have 2 half double crochets at the end, 1, 2. We're going to decrease over those 2 and make them 1. So we're going to yarn over, insert a hook, pull up the loops. We have 3 loops on the hook. We're going to insert in the other one, pull up. We have 4 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through all 4 loops, sorry. So we've now made those 2 last half double crochet into 1. So now we have the beginning of our strap for the bib. So it says to turn or walk around. And row, let me go on to row number 4. So it said to repeat the 3rd row, which is the row that I just completed. It says repeat the 3rd row from bib 10 more times. So I have to repeat this row number 3, the 3rd row, 10 times. So I'm going to chain 1, half double crochet in that same stitch where we made a chain 1. And we're going to make a half double crochet in each of the next 4 half double crochets. So I'm going to complete the other 9 rows and I'll come back and we'll continue on with this strap and we're going to move on to the other strap on the other side. So I'll be back after I've completed the other 9 rows. Okay, I've now completed the 10 rows of half double crochets, and each of these 10 rows we have 5 half double crochet on each row. This is one of the straps that we are now completing. Okay, so the next thing we're gonna see, this is row number 14. It says to chain 1, turn the work around, and it says to make 1/2 double crochet in the base of the chain 1. So we're going to make 1/2 double crochet in this base of that chain 1 space, chain 1 chain, sorry. And next it says to decrease 1/2 double crochet over the next 2 half double crochets. So these next 2 half double crochets, we're going to make them into 1. That is a decrease, so we yarn over, insert the hook, pull up the loop, insert in the next half double crochet, pull up the loop. We have 4 loops on the hook, we yarn over and we pull through all 4 loops. So we turn those 2 half double crochets into 1. Okay, and it says now to make 1/2 double crochet in each of the last 2 half double crochets. Each of these last 2, you're going to put 1/2 double crochet in each one. Okay. And row number 15, this is a chain 1 and turn. This is to make 1/2 double crochet in the base of the chain 1 space. So we're going to make 1/2 double crochet in the base of the chain 1 space. It's on the chain 1. It's a half double crochet. And it says to decrease over the next 2 half double crochets. So these 2 half double crochets, we're going to turn them into 1. So we're going to do what we did before. Turn those 2 half double crochets into 1. And it says to make 1/2 double crochet in the last half double crochet. So we have 1 half double crochet remaining. So we're going to make 1/2 double crochet in that half double crochet. So right now we have 3 half double crochets towards the end of the strap. So let's make the last row, which is row number 16. So row number 16, we chain 1 and we turn our work around, and it says to make 1/2 double crochet in the base of the chain 1. So we're going to make 1/2 double crochet right here. Double crochet in the base of the chain 1, and it says to decrease 1/2 double crochet over the next 2. So we have 2 remaining because we had 3 before. So we're going to make these 2 last half double crochet into 1. So we're going to yarn over, insert a hook, pull up, and insert a hook in the last one. We have 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, we're going to pull through all loops, and that's it. And it says to fasten off. So now we have completed 1 strap for our bib. So I'm going to fasten off this one. So this is the strap for the first bib. Sorry, the strap for the first strap for the bib. This is it. This is what it looks like. And the pattern says if you want your strap to be longer, you can go on making instead of making 10 rows, you can make it as long as you want, but I think 10 rows is sufficient for me in this case. So I'm doing exactly what the pattern says. So we'll repeat the second strap in the same manner that we did for this fourth strap. So you'll follow the instructions and do the same for the other strap. So I'll go ahead and do the other strap off camera, and I'll come back and we'll make the border for the bib, and then we'll complete this project. It is very simple, very straightforward. That is why I did the first portion, the first 16 rows off camera, because they are just merely have double crochet rows straight up. So I'm gonna go off camera and I'll complete the other strap for my bib, and I'll be back to complete the project. Okay, I've now completed the other strap for the bib, and now we'll go on to doing the edging. So the pattern says, with the wrong side facing, you are to attach your new color for your edging to the tip of the outer edge of the strap, and we are to make one single crochet evenly all around the edge of the bib, all the way to the bottom, up the other side, up the other strap, then on the inside of the strap, all the way around the neck area, and you come back up to the top of the other strap where we began, and then we'll finish off. So let me show you. I'll be using one color. This is a baby blue. So I'll be attaching my yarn to begin the single crochets. Bring it a bit closer. We can walk over these ends as we go along. So it says to chain one. We have to walk evenly, one single crochet evenly all along. Make a single crochets. So I'm walking over the ends, so we won't have to weave them in when we are finished. Okay. See? Making the single crochets all around the outer edge of the bib, all around and inside. We come all the way around, and then we come all the way inside to the inside of the neck area. So I'll continue on with my single crochets all around and inside the neck area, and I'll meet you at the end.